Hi guys, today we are making a dumpling soup and I hope you give it a try because it really is delicious. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to add 6 cups of chicken stock or vegetable stock to a Dutch oven or heavy duty pot on medium heat. Okay, while the broth is heating up, you're going to need 2 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of ginger. Now the ginger. Now add it to the soup. Next, add the soy sauce, low sodium, a quarter cup. Now you're going to want to cut up red pepper into thin strips. Okay, now you're going to want to add that to the soup. Now add your broccoli slaw. It's 2 cups. Give it a stir. You'll need 2 scallions, and you're going to want to chop them thin. And you're going to keep the greener parts separated from the white parts. Okay. Now add the lighter color scallions to the soup. Give it a stir. And now you're going to want to add your dumplings. Now these dumplings are pork. You can use vegetable if you want, or you also can use pot stickers, but I have the dumplings. Now these are frozen, and it's a 16-ounce bag. Can't find 16-ounce bag, then use the 24-ounce and just weigh up 16 ounces, a pound. You want to lower the temperature down now to simmer and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Now you're going to want to add some Sriracha sauce. I'm just starting off with 1 tablespoonful. And then you can give it a taste to see if you want to add a little bit more. You might like a little bit more spicier. And I'll give it a taste to see if I need to add more. That 1 tablespoon is enough. I don't need to add any more. It already has a little bit of kick. So your soup is ready to plate up, and we'll give it a good taste test. See you in a little bit. I know you're probably thinking, nah, that doesn't look too good, but let me tell you, it is really good. You have to try it. And it's such a simple, easy soup to make, but so delicious. Top it off with some green part of the scallions. I hope you give this soup a try because it really is delicious. And so easy and quick to make. It really tastes really good. So I hope you give it a try and see you in my next video. Bye.